All right, guys. So I've ran into another few things on my trainings that, teachers that buy stuff off Teacher Pay Teachers or different websites that they download PDF worksheets from. And, if you're trying to keep everything in Google Drive and keep it organized, um, sometimes when you download from TPT or another website, you download to your computer, then you have to go to Google Drive and you have to click upload. And so this video is going to help you cut out one of those steps, and it's just going to let you automatically download to your Google Drive. And on our Help Center page, and you can find the Help Center at this web address here. I know that's kind of a long one, but you can just type it in there. Also, Ms. Gorman's going to be sending out the link to all the teachers as well. But on our help page, if you scroll toward the bottom, there's a new option here for file stream. And when you click this link here, this is going to let you start downloading the file stream file. This is for the Windows version. Keep that in mind. And then when you click the picture here, it's going to take you to the video that you're watching right now. But we're going to go ahead and click the link, and it's going to start this download here. And once the download is finished, I'll show you what to do next. All right, once the download is finished, you can click on the file and open it up. I'm using Google Chrome, so it may look a little different, but regardless, you're going to get probably a Windows message. And that's okay. That's normal for it to pop up. Um, if you get this message, just click on Change My App Settings, and all this is a security feature. And it's perfectly normal for Windows to have this. You can even go back and change this setting later. Um, so you can change it to anywhere. And then when you close that, you'll have to go to your downloads folder now. Windows is just trying to protect you here. You can go to your downloads folder, and there's our Google Drive setup again. We should just get a warning this time. And now we're going to install anyway. And again, that is perfectly normal for that to pop up. If you're on your personal computer, if you're on a school computer that you have rights to install on, then you're probably going to be okay. You can just say yes on the Windows security feature again. And then I actually just go ahead and let it do both of these. I like to use these little shortcuts and stuff. That's up to you though. So just click install, let it do its thing. Now, once it is finished, you will see the Google Drive file stream successfully installed. You can just click close. And what will happen is sometimes it pops up automatically, and sometimes you have to open it. But once you get the Google file stream login window, that's where you want to be. So let's see if we can get it going here. Looks like it's already signed me in. I actually uninstalled the program to do this video. So basically what will pop up though is a screen that will have you just like you're logging into your email or logging into your Chromebook or anything that has to do with your Perry County teacher email stuff. You would just type in your teacher email and your password, and then it will basically just show you like 5 little pictures of what the benefits of Stream are. But I'm actually getting ready to show you that now. One thing about FileStream that is awesome is that it puts inside of Windows, it puts a Google folder there. So when you go and download something regularly, just like we did with this Google FileStream file, it put it in our downloads folder on our computer. This is on our computer only, just this computer. And then like if you're downloading a PDF, let me get to my Google Drive here. If you're downloading a PDF from a website, you can put it just in your downloads folder as well. So like if I download this file, sorry, things are a little slow here. I right clicked on this file inside my Google Drive already, and it just downloaded straight to my downloads folder. But if you go, and here's the file. If you actually are on a website though that allows you to have this little option when you do a preview of a PDF, you click download here. The same thing will happen. All right, so I want to show you, like if you download it from a website, I'm not going to go to Teacher Pay Teachers, but I want to go to Super Teacher Worksheets. And if I go to there, I don't really use this website that much, but this is a good one that's really good to just find, a quick worksheet if you're wanting to, see what a student knows about something. So let's just say we did this one. And this is the one I want the students to have. So if I click on download here, it's going to bring up this dialog window, the save as dialog window. Now, normally on a regular old computer, you would just go to let it download to your download folder. However, now that you've installed Google File Stream, Drive File Stream, you can click on that and you'll see your Drive folders. Now, if I open up my Google Drive, I know that my Google Drive is pretty intense. It's got a lot of stuff on there. If I've not got a folder for my numbers one trace right color, I can actually make a folder here. I can just right click anywhere, and I can go to new, and I can go to folder, and I can just call it right trace. And this is just, I usually capitalize and stuff, but I'm just doing this for the training. And then I can just kind of click off of it, and now I've got that folder. I can open that folder. I can save this document, and it shows the normal load download thing. But the cool thing about it is, if I go back to my Google Drive now, I got to refresh. But, I didn't do anything inside my Google Drive when I downloaded this. I did it all through the Windows dialog boxes. But now I have, after this loads, now I'm going to have my folder that I created. There it is, right trace. And inside the right trace folder, I have the PDF that I just downloaded off Super Teacher Worksheets. All right, so essentially this tool, when you install it, it allows you to automatically download files that you find online. It allows you to automatically save them into your Google Drive. You don't have to download them to your computer, then upload them to your Google Drive if you want to be able to access them from anywhere, or access them, next year, next school year, whatever. This allows you to put it straight into your Google Drive, and then you always have it. You can, of course, continue to download to your computer, and you can upload Google Classroom from your computer. But if you want to stay organized and be able to find things, this is my suggestion, and it just saves you a lot of steps in the long run. So I hope this video helps. If you have any questions, be sure to email one of the digital learning coaches, and we'll be sure to help you. Thanks for watching, guys.